Hi guys, rainy day. In fact, that's just going a bit quieter for a second. You've probably seen this bracket I made up for my Samsung Galaxy phone. Clips in there, and then these bits go over the microphones to give us a bit of wind protection. Well, the other day I wanted to attach my phone to my transmitter, so I just 3D printed myself a little bracket. Haven't finished it yet, haven't put the top end on it, this bit. I just wanted to see whether the general idea would work. So I put this camera in here to hold it still. Now you can see what I've done. I was thinking of all sorts of complicated ways of doing it, and then I came up with this fairly simple idea. So top or bottom, depends which way around you want to do it. That will sit on there, that goes over, and then you tighten it up as normal. It's not completely rigid on there, it does wobble a little bit. So I could probably adjust it a bit. I just wanted to try out the general idea. So we got full adjustment there. But tightening that up doesn't tighten it up on there, so that does still move around. Oh, I could put a bit of tape around there if I wanted, and I'm not sure how strong that will be, so I wouldn't recommend using this when you're sitting over a river or lake or something and let it drop into the water. And it's not really for following aeroplanes around, although I suppose you could. I was just thinking about when I'm using the cars, because I was doing one the other day that needed me to use the two sticks, so we're using this type of controller rather than a pistol grip, and it just went through my mind that I could do that, so I've done it. And I suppose what I ought to do now is put the top bits in and try it with the camera in place. I don't know if I got a spare. Oh, there's one. Just looked across the table. Yeah, I'll take these apart and use them. Right, it's raining hard. I don't know if we can see this. That'll do, just a couple of seconds of it. That was really raining hard out there, so it's too noisy anyway. But you get the general idea. I don't know whether I like it or not, but I just thought I'd try it out. See this. That'll do, just a couple of seconds of it. That was really raining hard out there. It's too noisy anyway. But you get the general idea. I don't know whether I like it or not, but I just thought I'd try it out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.